Let's try these Eggo pancakes, red, white, and blueberry flavor here. Now, I think this is new actually. Now, there was a like a winter blueberry or winter pancakes that were kind of like this too. I guess that might be the same flavor. I'm not 100% sure, but I was actually unable to get those because I was always searching for those and I wasn't able to find those. But now I'm able to find these. So I actually found these a couple weeks ago and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna have to give these a try. So Eggo pancakes, red, white, and blueberry. Let's try these. And I'm not going to put syrup on it, but I am going to put some Nutella on it because I like Nutella better than syrup. I like syrup too, but Nutella and like peanut butter and like jelly is a little better than like having messy syrup in my opinion. Even though those are messy too, but I'm going to put Nutella on it instead of syrup. Anyway, let's try these. I've been eating yogurt just about every day now, and I don't have any more yogurt. But I'm going to be picking up some probably at Walmart on Friday. See if they got any new flavors or anything. So I'm just going to eat this like a sandwich. I honestly have to say, I thought these were going to be a little bit more tastier. They're kind of, like, they didn't even really have that much flavor with the blueberry. Like, the only flavor that's there is the Nutella. The blueberry is, like, like, very light. So, like, I can taste it now, but, like, once you first eat it, you can't really taste it. I give these probably... They're not really that good, to be honest. They don't really taste like blueberries. They have a very light taste of blueberry. So I give these like a 6 out of 10. So, peace. Kind of disappointing. I was expecting more flavor out of these. Oh well.